cabinet make a sound. The sons were meant for different work, and his heart was known to learn. Okay. Hi guys, and also we have 40% female viewers. How are you, ladies? Okay, that's our intro and a part of the first verse. Okay, let's go to our. This is the leader of the band by Dan Fagelberg. Our intro chords are GF, G/F, C/G, A minor, E minor, D, and then CG, C/G and then G. Okay, so the first chords GF, third on the sixth fret, second on the fifth, third on the fourth, and third on the second string. Okay, so that's our GF. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 notes for this GF alone. Okay, so pick fifth and second string, and then third, and then fourth, third string, and then sixth string, sixth, second, fourth, first, back to fifth string, second string, third string, and then you put your index finger on the first fret of second string, and then open, fifth strings, second string, fourth, and then third string. Okay, so that's our notes for G/F. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, got it? Okay, so okay, now we go to our C/G. C/G. C/G is second fret, first fret on second string, second fret on fourth string, third fret on fifth string, and third fret on sixth string. Okay, so that's our C/G. Second and fifth string together, and then excuse me, fourth string, third, and then sixth, and then second string, third, fourth, and then third. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got only 7 on the first measure of C/G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then for the second measure, fifth string and second string, pinch, hammer on the third fret of second string, and then first string open, back to second string, okay, and then put your ring finger on the third fret of sixth string, and then pick second, and then second open, fourth open, third open. Okay, one more time for CG. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then this for second measure, first, so second and fifth string, so, and then first string, second string, and then lift off your ring finger, and then lift everything except for your ring finger. 6, second open, third open, fourth open, third open. Okay, so what we got for C is okay. Now we go to A minor. For A minor we have 7, so second fret on fourth string, second fret on third string, use your middle and ring finger, and then so you got only 2 fingers on the fretboard. Okay, and now pick open second string and open fifth string, hammer on the first fret of second string, and then fourth string, first string, fifth string, second, fourth, and third. Okay, so okay, third, first string, fifth, second, fourth, third. And then that's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also 7. Now for E minor, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beats. So E minor, second finger on second fret on fifth string, second fret on fourth string. So pick 6, open 6 and open second string, and then put your index finger on the first fret of second string, and then lift it off. So 1, 2, 3, and then open on third, second, and then fourth, and then third. Okay, so okay, and then 6, second, fourth, third. Okay, that's for E minor. Now for D. So our D is bigger. It's open on fourth, second, third on the second string, and third on the first string. So brush down, and then third string, second string, and then open, hammer on second and follow up, and then fourth fret on the fourth string, and then for G slash G, second fret on fifth string, third fret on sixth string, third fret on first string. For G, C, that's 3 times. So bass, third fret on sixth string, and then open on second and fourth string, hammer on first fret on second string, and hammer on second fret on fourth string. Okay, and then back to 6, first string, fourth string, and then third string. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's 2 times. On the third time, 6, and then second and fourth string, hammer again, and then sixth string, first string, fourth string, and second string together. So, and then G. 6, 4, 3, 6, 2, 4, 3. So that's 7. Okay? Okay, so one more. Now for our verse 1, the chords are G, C, G, B, B minor 7, C, A minor, E minor, back to A minor, C, D, and then G, C slash G, back to G, B minor 7, C, A minor, E minor, back to A minor, D, and then G slash C slash G 3 times. Okay, that's our first verse. So the picking part, so G, for G is 6th string, and then second and fourth string, hammer on first and second fret of second and fourth string, and then third, and then first string, sixth string, first string, and then fourth string, third string, and then third, and then fourth open, third open, and then third again, sixth split again, second open, fourth open, third open. Okay, so that's for G and C slash G and G. So, and then B minor, 5th string, third string, second string, fourth string, first string, second string, third string. So bass, inside, outside, bass, inside, outside, inside. Okay, so one more time. A lonely child alone and wild, a cabinet make a sound. For C, same picking. Bass, inside, outside. Bass, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. And then 3, 2. Bass, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2. Okay? A cabinet make a sound. A minor, same picking. Is meant for that one. E minor is 6, 4th, 3rd, 5th, 2nd, and then 4th, 3rd. Okay, and then for A minor, same picking again. And his heart was known to C, 5th string, 1st string, 3rd string, 2nd string. So for the and his heart was known to na, and then the 4th, 1st, 3rd, and 2nd string, same as the C chord. Okay, one more time. Lonely down alone and wild, a cabinet make a sound. His songs were meant for different work, and his heart was known to none. Okay, now we go to the second part. He left his home and went there slow, in solitary way, same picking. And he may not give I know, I never, for A minor, I never, 5th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, I never, D, 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd, I never can read. And then G's, like the intro, 3 times. So okay, that's our first verse. The second verse is this almost the same except for the last part, the last for transition to the chorus. Okay, I guess that's it for today. We'll continue tomorrow the second verse, the chorus, and then third verse, ad lib, the last verse. Okay, that's it.